Hi Captain, thank you for purchasing the Smart Bilge Sensor. In this tutorial we will show you how to install and configure this sensor. Let us start by adding the sensor with the mobile app. Please open the application and click on the tile Add New Sensor. A pop-up will appear, in which we ask you whether you already have a sensor, or you want to purchase a new one. Since you already have the sensor, please click on the corresponding button. Now, please place the sensor in the view area of the camera and scan the QR code provided with the sensor. Excellent, we found your sensor in the system. Now, please enter the description of the sensor. This description helps you to identify which bilge you are monitoring with this sensor. When done, please press the Add New Sensor button. Now, we will install the sensor in your bilge. Depending on the boat type, you might have several bilges. If you want to monitor all the bilges, you can, of course, install multiple sensors. The float switch is secured with a safety clip. Now it is good time to remove it. Apply an adhesive to the back of the float switch. We recommend using Sikaflex or similar products. Firmly press the float switch at the desired position, usually on the lowest point in the bilge. The sensor itself should be installed as high as possible to ensure the best possible radio signal. If required, you can extend the cable up for additional 5 meters. Always install the sensor in the vertical orientation. Now, it is time to test our sensor. Hold the float switch in the upper position for at least 30 seconds. Within 1 minute, you should receive a phone call with this message.
Attention. Water detected on boat 1 wife, contract birthday 5/6/51.
You should, at the same time, receive a SMS and email with the high water alarm. And when you open the mobile application, you will immediately see the alarm as well. In the mobile application, you can click on the sensor icon and receive more information about the alarm. You can, of course, change the default configuration of the sensor, if so required. You can also add additional contacts, for example your friends, which can be alerted in the case of water alarm as well. Just open your profile and enter their emails and phone numbers. However, the best way to ensure the professional assistance is to forward the alarm to your marina. Sense4 Boat communicates with the marinas using a standardized protocol, so any marina can be a part of the Marina Link network. Please ask your local harbor master about this feature. Connecting your sensors to the marina is very easy. Just enter the PIN provided by the marina and press the Activate button. Now, all alarms will be forwarded to the marina as well. This completes our tutorial. We sincerely wish that you will never have to use this sensor. However, should this not be the case and water eventually penetrates into your bilge, we will be glad to immediately alarm you about that. Thank you for watching and may you have a safe boating.